So from now into the future, what do you see as being the future for, I know it's very hard to predict, but your gut instinct, what do you see as the future of living educational theory?
Well, again, this isn't easy as a response, but I would say that now I think that where we could go in really sharing cooperatively the meanings of these relationally dynamic values as a community, which is growing in terms of influence, which is deepening its understanding of the research it is doing and the contributions that the community is doing to the knowledge base of education. And you've got a fabulous group of people that, if you like, last week, they were all there. And that is where I would be saying that we could be going. It's actually looking at these networks of relationships, using this digital technology to communicate the meanings of the embodied values that we're expressing and asking your question, where do we go next? And exploring that together and strengthening our cooperation. So that is what I've been looking forward to working on with you, Maureen, and others as well. It's like within EJOTS, it's how as a community are we actually strengthening the systemic influence of living educational theory research? And it's making that a research project. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. And just remind us, why is that important?
Well, I think, you see, because I was born in 1944, I was born at 29th of August. Now, on the 29th of August, 1944, the British, American, and Canadian and French troops, they burst out of Normandy. Okay, so they landed in Normandy on the 6th of June. On the 29th of August, on my birthday, they actually burst out of Normandy. The Battle of Normandy was won, and Paris had been liberated 5 days before that. Now, if you think that I was born at the time when the gas chambers were still fully operational within Eastern Europe, within Germany, and that is, if you like, my dad gave me a book when I was 6 called Victory in Europe Day, which had pictures of the Belsen concentration camps with bodies just piled high. Now, that remains with me as a knowledge of what human beings can do to each other. And as I look around the world at the moment, I'm seeing tens, if not hundreds of thousands. There are millions, I think, of children in the Yemen. There's the border with Poland and Belarus. Now, that's my reality. Now, what I'm saying is that education, it seems to me, has got a fundamental part to play in actually overcoming those negations of the values of human flourishing. And I'm still focused on the contributions that we can make.
Fabulous, inspiring, in fact. Yeah.